Today, I'm going to show you how to make CapCut YouTube Shorts from start to finish using a simple workflow that keeps your video vertical, clean, and ready to post. If you want to create shorts faster, make them look professional, and export them with the best settings, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut and YouTube editing tips. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open CapCut Desktop and start a new project. Once you're inside, look at the media panel in the top left corner and click Import. From there, choose the video file you want to turn into a YouTube short, then click Open. After your clip appears in the media library, drag and drop it down into the editing timeline. This is where all the editing happens, so once your clip is on the timeline, you're ready to start shaping it into a short. Now the next step is very important because YouTube Shorts need to be in a vertical format. Under the video preview player, you'll see the ratio button. Click that and choose 9:16 from the drop-down menu. This changes your project from a regular widescreen layout into the vertical format that shorts require. After that, click your clip on the timeline so it's highlighted. Then go over to the top right panel, click Video and select Basic. Inside the basic settings, use the scale slider to zoom in until your footage fills the entire vertical screen. This helps remove empty space and makes the video look properly framed for mobile viewing. If you want an easier option, CapCut also gives you an Auto Reframe feature under the Basic tab. This is really useful if your subject moves around a lot or if your original video was shot in landscape. Auto Reframe uses AI to track and center the main subject automatically, which can save you a lot of time. It's a great choice for talking head videos, gaming clips, tutorials, or any content where the main action needs to stay centered. Once your video is formatted correctly, the next thing you need to do is trim it down so it stays under 60 seconds. That's the key length for a YouTube short. Move the playhead to the point where you want the video to end. Make sure the total duration stays below 1 minute. Then press Ctrl+B to split the clip or click the split icon if you prefer using the buttons on screen. After the clip is split, select the extra footage you don't want and press Delete. This keeps only the part you want to upload as a short. If needed, you can also trim the beginning of the clip in the same way to make sure the pacing is fast and the most important content appears right away. A good short usually grabs attention quickly, so while you're editing, keep an eye on the flow of the video. Cut out any unnecessary pauses, long intros, or slow moments. The tighter your edit, the better your short will perform. In many cases, a strong first few seconds can make a huge difference, so don't be afraid to trim aggressively and keep only the most engaging part. Now that your video is ready, it's time to export it with the right settings. In the top right corner of CapCut, click the blue export button. A new window will open where you can set your title and choose the folder where you want to save the file. Make sure the title is clear so you can find the final video easily later. Inside the export settings, use the best values for high quality shorts. Set the resolution to 1080 by 1920, which is the standard vertical HD size for YouTube shorts. If your source footage is higher quality, you can match it up to 2K or 4K when available, but 1080 by 1920 is the most reliable option for most creators. Set the bitrate to higher so your video keeps as much detail as possible. Choose H.264 as the codec and set the format to MP4, since that's the most widely supported format for YouTube uploads. For frame rate, use 30 frames per second for standard content, or 60 frames per second if you're editing smooth gameplay, action shots, or fast-moving clips. Once everything looks correct, click the final export button at the bottom. CapCut will render your short and save the finished file to your selected folder. From there, you can upload it directly to YouTube Shorts and add your title, description, and hashtags. And that's it. You've now learned how to make CapCut YouTube Shorts from import to vertical formatting to trimming and finally exporting with the best settings. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.